Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, today as I was scrolling on TikTok, I see Thando Dlamuka's account. Thando Dlamuka, who is Dlamuka's wife from Isencane, Lengane. So guys, I see this account. I see that she posted her pictures looking all cute and stuff. And then I just look at these pictures and I'm like, hey banna. Okay, is she pregnant or ganjani? I look at these pictures. No, they are giving pregnant, but not sure. The pictures are giving pregnant or gaining weight. So now I check the other picture, guys, I am just hoping it's not true, because how I'm really hoping it's not true. She's just gaining weight and she's happy and stuff, because if she is pregnant, guys, I don't know, but guess Anna, it's not our place to judge. She is married after all, and she is living in her own house with her own husband, who has a side chick. And also, it's not the first time, guys, people have side chicks. Dlamuka is not the first person to have a side chick. So guys, this is the picture that was posted by Thando, and it was posted 4 days ago. I don't know, guys. Look at this picture and tell me, what do you think? Because we know Thando Dlamuka from the show Isencane, and she was not she was not like this, but then I'm also thinking the show, they took those footages maybe 5 months back, so it could be that she gained weight after the show, but during the show, she was really not like this in the stomach area, and then Sana, the comment section, people were going crazy, asking her, "Hi girl, are you pregnant? How could you do this to yourself?" Because Dlamuka, guys, he doesn't respect Thando. He treats her like, I don't know, but he doesn't treat her like his wife. He is so disrespectful. He has side chicks, and whereas having these side chicks, he doesn't even have money. I don't know what people think. Maybe they think he has money, but he doesn't have money. If you've watched the show, you know that he doesn't have money. And this is the other picture, guys, that was posted alongside that other picture. I don't know, guys, but I'm just hoping it's not true, because haike kodwa ya kuningi. And also Dlamuka has, it has been discovered that he has a side chick. The side chick decided to reveal herself because Ugel is tired of ukufihlwa, Ugel is tired of ukufihlwa, so Ugel decided to reveal herself. I don't know, maybe it's for fame or what, because I really don't know, guys, and I really don't know what people think when maybe it's because they see him on TV and think he has money, but when you watch the show, you know that he doesn't. He really doesn't, So yes, guys, the comment section, people were just asking, girl, did you do another person there inside you, and she didn't answer, she didn't say anything. So for now, it is alleged, because the owner of the pictures didn't confirm, they didn't even deny. We could be wrong, maybe she is just gaining weight, but son, I'm just hoping it's not true, guys. I am just hoping it's not true, because hey, kuningi sana, and I don't wish that for her. But thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you.